What's up, guys? It's cold here. It is, well, my truck says it's 35, but it's been in the garage all morning, and I think it's colder than that. I don't know about you, but the snow says a lot. We weren't really supposed to get snow today. There was supposed to be like an ice storm warning yesterday for the northern part of where we live, but yeah, it's been snowing like this for, I would say, at least a couple hours off and on. I mean, it's heavier right now. You can see it's a good bit heavier right now than it was, but still, it's been snowing for a while. So pulled the truck out and took some pictures of it, because you know that's what we do. Anyway, I got something in the mail yesterday, so today's video is going to be a little install of that. And what better weather than freezing cold and wet and snowing and numb on your fingers? So let's get to it. All right, now for this part, we are back in the garage in all of her warmth. I think it's slowed down a little bit out here, snow-wise. You can see it's still coming down a little bit, but it's not too crazy. So now we're gonna show you what we have to install. And it has a little bit of something to do with this. Oh, it's dirty. This thing right here, a mirror. You want this? Here. Oh, you can have it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Let me get that thing. I have it. We gotta put this on my Tahoe. We gotta put it on my Tahoe! Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Here. Do you want it? There you go. Oh, and he's off. Oh, you're gonna fight over it? As long as I don't hear it snap, you're good. Next time I get it back. Give me that back. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop it. That's backfired. Okay. All right. Now we got it. Okay. Look, Leaman. Papa, what was this? He chewed it up. Don't give it back to him. No. Right. Okay, so what about this mirror are we working with today? It has to do with the underside. So there's a light there. Right there. Not the camera. The light right there. We are going to be changing that out, and I don't know. See if it'll do it when it's daytime out. Yep. See how that turns on right there? Well, it shines like, kind of hard to see, but it shines a little light on the ground. Now Chevy makes this cool little part here. 844-08372. That will change that. Let's pop it open and see what it is. Get some instructions. And get these little things right here. And basically, if I can get this open, it's just a new light. Nothing fancy about it. New plug, new light. Doesn't look any different, right? Looks the exact same, but oh, is it different. So now we've got a 9-volt battery, and we're going to show you actually what these do. And now these are color coded, so orange label here is the driver's side, if I can get it to bring in focus. Come on, there you go. Purple label is the passenger side. So let's plug these things up to a 9-volt. I know it's not 12 volts, so it's not going to be as bright as it could be, but you'll still get the idea. All right, we're going to turn the light off. There we go. Now we'll hook this thing up. See, I'm not sure which way it goes. That's not it. There it is. All right, so here we go. Oh, pretty dope. So we're shooting a bow tie. Come on, focus. Let's do it behind the camera, that way you can't, it'll focus on the wall. How sick is that? An LED bow tie illuminated on the ground. And you can see it'll get smaller, it'll get bigger as the light gets away from it. So right now it's hard to tell from scale, but that's about, right there is about a foot wide. So this thing, I'm probably 3 feet away from it. So when it's on the ground, it's going to be like a 2-foot bow tie on each side of the truck. Pretty sweet. So, we'll light back on. Now, we just got to wire this thing up. Too many screwdrivers. Phillips. Torx. There we go. There we go. We're on the passenger side first, and you can see the little clip up in there. We're going to get our flathead and put it in the little clip, push, and then we're going to pry towards the light, and there we go. Out pops the whole thing, just like that. I'm going to put the screwdriver down before I scratch my paint. Simple as that. Little wiring harness, and we'll swap it out. Let's plug this one in here. Looks like that is going to be upside down. Just like that. Goes in, and you can see there's like a little, kind of hard to see, but there's like a little tab. It looks like it wants to go in between the wire, but I don't know if that matters. Now we can go back up in there, put the side closest to the truck in first. And there's like a little notch. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, see the little notch right there for your tab, so you can line it up. So we'll go in there. Just click up into place just like that. Okay, driver's side, same thing. Pop in the clip, pivot it down. You gotta kind of work up in there. It's a little hard to get to. Let's see here, where's that clip? Alright, got it pop. There we go. Same thing, pull the plug off of it. Really easy. Ooh, don't let that plug go back up in there. We don't want that thing disappearing. Kind of our lifeblood there. So, grab the new one. Looks like vertical, horizontal. Looks like it plugs just like that. Feed this thing down in there. There we go. Same thing, line it up with the little clip. Snap it in place. Man, it's so hard to see. There you go. Alright, instructions. I guess we'll look at this for the first time. Well, we looked at this part. You can see if it's a Chevy, the driver's side is purple, right hand side passenger is orange. Locate the puddle lamp. Remove the lamp from the housing by depressing the clip with a flathead screwdriver. Disconnect. Reattach lamp. Connect electrical for new logo. Repeat above steps. Confirm function of brand is correct. Oh, that would suck if we got like a GMC on one side. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Backside's just the French and Spanish instructions of the same thing. So, part number 844-08372. It's 125 bucks from GM's website. Let's see what it looks like. Let me turn off my garage lights. Hey, look at that. Still not as much. Still snowing though, just barely. Garage lights off. That's pretty dope. Man, it's still not very bright at all, but I really think it's because of the daylight. Like, you can look, just by me putting my feet there with the shadow, how much brighter it gets. Yeah. Just too, oh, you know what? Let's close the garage door. It's gonna go super dark. We'll turn this thing off too. There we go. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, it rotates out with the mirror. How sick is that? That's pretty sweet. So now, and when we lock it, oh, you can't see it because it turns off immediately, but when we unlock, you can see, like, it'll swing out. That's pretty dope. Cool. So there you have it, guys. $125. I think I paid $130 actually with shipping to get it to my house. It was I think overnight shipping was like $19 or something. So pretty good investment, I think. It's a pretty cool mod. A little bit, I guess, excessive for some people, but I like it. Appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, be sure and hit the subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next video.